If you're looking for the official, working Hostinger coupon code 2025, you found it. We are going to claim the biggest possible discount in under 60 seconds. The only way to get the maximum Hostinger discount is by using my direct link. It's in the description right below, and it applies the code automatically. No typing required. First, click the Hostinger coupon code 2025 link below. It takes you right here. Now you will see Hostinger's standard discount, but my link ensures you also get the extra 20% off on everything. Shared hosting, cloud, or even a Hostinger VPS coupon code discount. Scroll down to choose your plan. I recommend starting with premium web hosting. Hit choose plan. Next is the order summary. This is crucial. Hostinger does not offer discounts for renewals. To save the most money with this Hostinger promo code, always choose the longest available billing period. Look at the order summary. You should see a line that says, referral discount 20%. That confirms my link worked. That's your biggest saving secured. All set. Just create your account using a fresh email and finish the payment. Hostinger will send you an immediate confirmation, and that's it. You're good to go. Seriously, that's all it takes. The 2-minute process is done. Hit that Hostinger coupon code 2025 link below and snag your biggest discount before this deal is gone for good.